So I was gifted this hydroponic grow tower with lights, and I must say this one is a lot better than my old one. So let me show you some of the features of why I think this is better than my old one, and then we're going to put it to work and get some plants in here. Now it does come with these planting pads. Then they have these pots, and I must say that these are much better than the other inserts for my other tower. So I am definitely impressed with just these alone. So I find that these are definitely going to do a better job with my seeds being able to sprout from them. But we'll put that to the test and see if it actually works. So there are 25 different planting pods in here, and you're not going to be able to put like big plants in here. These are more for your herbs and smaller type plants, your lettuces, things like that. One feature that I absolutely love, and this is why I find this tower to stick out from the rest, is the fact that it has the grow lights surrounding the entire unit, making sure your plants are going to get exactly what they need from the UV light. But it does have a nice little gadget here that allows you to be able to tell if you need to put more water in here. It also has a filter inside the unit, so if there's any debris in there, it's not going to get sucked up into your actual tower. So let me go ahead and get some plants all hooked up in here, and that way we can see how this actually functions. So as you can see, the plants are definitely liking the power. The bottom ones are just seeds so far, and they haven't sprouted yet, but the top has definitely sprouted. Now I do want to point out that the lights are on this switch, that they're made of a really heavy duty quality. So as you can see, it's got this aluminum surround, and the light itself has the multiple colors. Okay, so all in all, I'm very impressed with this. Not only are my seedlings very happy, especially with all these lights surrounding it, but I'm finding that the seeds are germinating pretty quickly due to the fact that it's got all these lights. These pods that they give you are very beneficial. They definitely help the growing process. So whether you want to put seeds in the pods or if you want to put seedlings in the pods, you can do either one. These lights to the tower definitely help the growing process and definitely give it all the coverage that it needs to be able to grow. So all I had to do was apply a little bit of liquid fertilizer in there with water and turn it on, and I don't have to worry about this anymore. It's just going to grow all on its own.